Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now guys, nasa May Clark kami, sa may bandang Laos. So dito ngayon kasama ko si Patrick Reyes TV. So ito, papakita ko sa inyo yung behind the scenes niya sa pagbi-video niya ng pag-feature at saka pagbi-video niya ng mga cars. Okay, so let's go. Ayan guys, so behind the scenes. So yan, ito yung mga ginagawa ni Patrick Reyes TV. So isa sa mga pini-feature siya ngayon is yung Ford Territory 2020-2021.
Go for ignition, just press the button again. And to start the engine, just put your foot in the brake. If you have your key fob inside the vehicle, you can put your car into accessory mode just by pressing this button. There you go. Turn on. Once more for ignition, and to start the engine, just put your foot in the brake, push the button to start.
Check pala guys, it's 10:30 in the morning and parang ang init ng panahon is parang 12 noon na siya or 1 PM. So isipin nyo guys, at this time and this kung ganito kainit, nagsa-start na siya mag-vlog. So lahat ng bagay ginagawa niya, sariling sikap niya. So yung susunod niyan, tingnan natin yung mga susunod pa niyang EV video na cars.
12 seconds later.
So now, nandito na kami sa next vehicle namin, which is yung Nissan Pro 4X.
Parang iPhone Pro lang.
Yan, so kasama ko na si Patrick Reyes. So ilalabas lang namin sa sasakyan / test drive na rin in a way.
Ikot ba dito?
Pwedeng U-turn dito eh.
Pwede?
Ay, di ko alam.
Wala namang sabing no. So guys, basically magre-review tayo nito. Pinahiram sa very thankful sa Nissan Clark. Pinahiram tayo ng sasakyan. So, of course, we're gonna know kung anong meron dito sa Nissan Pro 4X 256GB. Hindi. So, kidding aside, to check natin to, we're gonna drive it ng konti and then tignan natin kung anong meron, ano ba difference? Is it really worth it na kunin tong top of the line Pro 4X or mag-baseline ka na lang? Is it the same Navara? Or magpunta ka ba sa ibang brand? Check that out.
So for that, you have to check his YouTube. Okay, so dun nyo na lang panoorin. So sa akin, behind the scenes lang kung anong ginagawa niya sa mga car vlogs niya. So yan, so next natin yan, makikita nyo kung paano nyo i-video tong Nissan Navara. Okay, yan guys, behind the scenes. Ito yung itsura ng Navara Pro 4X palabas.
Again, this is Patrick Reyes. Go, have a review. Here's as the normal Navara. This one has leather door sidings and the white skin. Manual seat controls, your height adjustment, your recliner, and your seat control on the middle.
Yan. Yan yung mga sneak preview behind the scenes natin.
Right over here you have cup holder, traction control off, of course your control for your side mirrors.
Okay guys, sa loob ako na sasakyan. So ngayon, we're trying to use the camera. So ngayon, alam natin kung gumagana yung sensor nyo o hindi. So ngayon, ito, nandito si Patrick. nawala siya. So nandito siya ngayon sa gitna. So every time na may nasisend sila, magana siya. It's just a cool feature that almost all modern cars have right now. Nadidetect mo kung nasaan yung mga tao or kung anong sasakyan ang dumadaan sa side mo or sa likod mo. Very neat. Next car is a sports car. And so now we're in a Nissan 370Z. Yan, and the one driving as usual.
From the Navara, ito na kami ngayon ano na kami, 370Z. So, syempre mag-video tayo. Check natin kung anong meron dito sa 370Z. This is actually hindi ito yung flagship nila ngayon kasi meron pa silang GTR. Nonetheless, this is still a flagship for me. So, ikot lang tayo.
Yan. So to know more about this car, as I said a while ago, you have to watch his vlogs, okay, on his channel. So ayan. So sa akin, sneak peek lang kung ano yung mga makikita natin sa car and sa ginagawa niya every car vlogs niya, okay?
Try natin yung floor. Rev matching. Rinig na rinig mo. Pag down gear ako, ganito siya. Yun ang rev matching na Nissan 370Z. Very nice. This is actually one of the cars na willing ako i-test drive.
First look of the 370Z and Patrick Reyes doing his first shot.
Right over here. Height adjustment. And it's right here. So you have your bucket seats right here. I believe this is a Recaro. Powered by LEDs right over here. Your instantaneous kilometers per liter and your engine temperature. Now here is the Nismo RPM gauge.
Okay guys, so ngayon dito kami sa Kia. So we have 3 cars na i-vlog niya. So this is the first car. And the Kia Forte GT. Okay, then yung isa yung Stronic, then may isa pang sasakyan. So yun.
Electrically powered and only the driver's side window is automatic.
So ito yung isa, yung Kia Seltos, yung ano kasi yung isa, Kia Stronic, which is this one, at saka ito yung ngayon recently, yung Kia Forte GT. So itong tatlo yung i-review namin. So far this day, naka total of 6 cars na kami. We're down to the next one, which is the Kia Stronic. Guys, now we're down to our last car here in Kia, which is the Kia Seltos. And then afterwards, baka may isa pa kaming i-review. Then yan. Guys, ang sinasabi ko, when I say everything about any angle sa sasakyan, kinukuha niya literal top to bottom. So umuupo pa siya. Pagod na yan. Okay guys, ito ngayon, nasa jeep kami. So last stop for this vlog. So ito yung mga isa niyang video. And guys, next and last vlog will be this one, Jeep Gladiator.
Propeller grip, leather materials on the steering wheel as well. Here's your media inputs, Type-C, USB, and
Ayan guys, so it is already in the evening and nakauwi na rin siguro siya. So you saw a glimpse of what he does for every car that you see in his channel, guys. So nakikita nyo may ibang time na nire-review niya yung car during broad daylight outside, the sun, kahit na mainit, gagawin niya for you all to see what the car would look like. And there are times naman makikita nyo dun sa mismong clips na may mga pagkakataon na nasa loob naman siya ng mismong dealership. So there are different experiences for different cars and different dealers. Okay guys? So hope you guys enjoyed this short vlog of his reviews on how he reviews each car. So hope you guys enjoy. Stay safe. Peace.